The other day I was scrolling on TikTok. I found this amazing pasta recipe. I said I have to try it, but I'm gonna add some shrimp to it. So today we're making a garlic butter shrimp pasta. It's so good, okay? I can tell already it's delicious. So let's make it. Before I begin, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, like if you enjoyed today's recipe, and let's jump right in. I'm going to start by boiling my spaghetti. So I'm adding a little bit of salt to the water. Next, I'm going in with my spaghetti. Do not break the spaghetti. I'm using half a box for this recipe. I'm going to allow that to cook for now. By now, the pasta is nice and al dente, as you guys can see. Beautiful. I'm going to remove it, drain the water. Don't let it sit in the water because it's going to get soggy. And do not rinse it with cold water. That's gonna make it, the sauce not to cling on it. So let me just remove and set aside for now. Drain the water, of course. Next, we are going to fry the garlic. I have a whole head of garlic here that I peel. I'm going to add it to a skillet. I'm just going to add enough oil for it to be able to fry until it's nice and fried up. We'll remove it. Just gonna flip them over just to allow the other side to cook. I don't want to add too much oil. And I'm cooking it or frying it on medium low, not too high, because I want a nice beautiful color on it. I don't want to burn it so we don't have a bad flavor in our pasta. All right, guys, my garlic are nice and fried up. As you can see, it smells very garlicky in here. I'm going to remove them and place them into my blender right here. Place that on top, just like this. Once you're done, you're going to add in, I'm using about a stick and a half of butter, unsalted, okay? I'm going to add that in. Also, I'm going to add the other half. Make sure it's room temperature so it can blend nice and easy. I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And then we're going to cover it so we can blend it. I removed some of the oil. Now, this recipe doesn't call for any protein, but I would like to add some shrimp to it. So I'm going to season the shrimp very lightly in the skillet. You know, shrimp don't really need that much seasoning, really. So that is why I'm pretty much seasoning it in here very lightly. I'm using my Island Vibe seasoning. If you don't have this Cajun seasoning, what are you doing? It's going to be in the description box, or you can just go on Google, type islandvibecooking.com, and it should come up for you. Very lightly, just like this. And I want to say thank you to everyone who placed their order. Thank you so much. I appreciate the support. I'm going to add a little bit of salt because my seasoning has low sodium, so it's not, you know, if you don't like salty food, you'll be able to use it. So I added a little bit of salt in there. Flip it over, and I'm going to season the other side really quickly, very light, like I said, so I don't alter the recipe too much. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that seasoning on top. And let it fry or pan-sear for a little bit longer, and then we'll remove it, set it aside. It's looking good, it's smelling good. Don't overcook your shrimp too. You know, shrimp don't take that long to cook. It's looking really, really good. It's time to remove the shrimp. As you can see, they are looking gorgeous, beautiful, perfectly cooked. Ooh. You can make this with chicken, salmon. I thought shrimp will be the perfect combo. Why not? And let me know down below if you guys seen this recipe on your For You page on TikTok. Ooh, looking good. Okay, we're going to set that aside for now. Okay guys, this is the butter. As you guys can see, it is super garlicky. So I'm going to use the same skillet. Let me add a little bit of that butter at the bottom. And then I'm going in with my spaghetti. Add that in. Just like this. It's okay, my hands are clean. Then I'm going in with the butter on top. Ooh, this is going to be so buttery and garlicky. I'm adding some fresh parsley. Also, some tomato paste. And I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. Yes, yes, yes. And then we're going in with this Momofuku chili crunch, okay? Let's add a little bit of that to give it a little spiciness. Not too much, okay? Add that on there just like this. Woo! And then all you gotta do now is mix it, baby. Mix everything together. Ooh. Okay. Give it a nice mix until everything is nicely combined. Let's add a little bit more of that garlic butter. Ooh. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Ooh, to enhance the flavor. It smells so good. It smells really delicious. This reminds me of Haitian spaghetti. It's giving the same texture. Let me add the rest of the Parmesan cheese. Looks good, smells good. And I'm going to add the shrimp on top. Okay. Why would you not have this with some shrimp? Come on. Okay, let me add my shrimp on top. Ready? Boo. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing in here, okay? Smells delicious. And there you go. Your garlic butter shrimp pasta. Amazing. Perfect. This is my favorite part, the taste test. You guys, this dish reminds me of a Haitian spaghetti. Like, I can't stop saying it because it looks just like a Haitian spaghetti, but let's give it a try, okay? Who would have thought something so simple yet so delicious? You have to try this. Garlicky, got a little creamy, I would say, from the Parmesan cheese. You can taste that creaminess, and buttery. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. Like I said, this recipe doesn't call for shrimp, but I think the shrimp just takes it to a whole nother level. But hopefully you enjoy, hopefully you try it. Let me know your comments down below. Have you seen this video on your For You page on TikTok? If so, drop a comment. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're going to try it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.